In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of autonomous underwater vehicles, also known as AUVs. We will explore 8 cutting-edge models, showcasing their advanced technologies and innovative features. From oceanic research and exploration to military reconnaissance or strike missions, these remarkable machines are transforming our perception of the underwater world. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Number 1. Sea Raptor. The Sea Raptor, developed by Teledyne Marine, is a highly capable autonomous underwater vehicle designed for deep-sea exploration and survey missions. It's available in 2 depth-rated versions, one for 9,850 feet and another for 19,680 feet. The Sea Raptor's modular design includes multiple payload ports, allowing for the integration of various sensors such as side-scan sonars, sub-bottom profilers, multi-beam echo sounders, and cameras. This modularity enables rapid reconfiguration and battery replacement, maximizing operational time and flexibility. The Sea Raptor measures approximately 18 feet in length and weighs between 2,200 to 2,650 pounds, depending on the configuration. It features advanced navigation systems, including a Doppler velocity log, an inertial navigation system, and onboard processing software. The vehicle's speed ranges from a nominal 3 knots to a maximum of 4 knots. Additionally, it's equipped with a range of sensors and systems for comprehensive data acquisition, such as acoustic modems, black box pinger locators, and environmental sensors. The Sea Raptor has demonstrated its capabilities in various challenging missions, including deep water surveys at depths of up to 16,400 feet. Its success in these missions highlights its robustness and the high quality of data it can acquire, making it suitable for applications in marine archaeology, oceanography, and underwater construction support. Number 2. Sea WASP. The Sea WASP is a remotely operated vehicle developed by Saab to counter underwater improvised explosive devices. Designed to fulfill a U.S. government requirement, the Sea WASP aims to provide a safer and more effective solution for explosive ordnance disposal teams by minimizing the risk to divers. Measuring 4.3 feet in length and weighing 165 pounds, it can operate at depths up to 490 feet with a speed of 2.5 knots. Equipped with advanced navigation systems like a Doppler velocity log and internal measurement unit, along with wideband sonar, LED lights, and video cameras, it offers precise maneuverability and target identification capabilities. The Sea WASP's versatility allows it to be deployed in various environments such as harbors, lakes, and rivers, from platforms including small watercraft and land vehicles. Its 5-function manipulator arm can position EOD disruptors or other tools near targets, enabling effective engagement and neutralization of underwater threats. Operated by a 2-person team via an electrical or optical cable, it ensures a safe distance from potential threats, significantly reducing the risks associated with manual disposal by divers. Saab's Sea WASP has proven its effectiveness through successful tests and evaluations by various U.S. agencies, including the U.S. Navy EOD Group 2 and the FBI Counter-IED Unit. The system's innovative design and capabilities have positioned it as a critical tool in addressing underwater explosive threats, enhancing operational safety and efficiency in challenging environments. Number 3. SABERTOOTH. The SABERTOOTH, developed by Saab CI, is an advanced hybrid autonomous underwater vehicle and remotely operated vehicle designed for a variety of underwater operations, including inspection, maintenance, repair, and offshore surveys. Available in single and double hull versions, it operates at depths of up to 3,940 feet and 9,850 feet, respectively, and features 6 degrees of freedom for 360 degrees maneuverability. Powered by either battery or tether, the SABERTOOTH has a battery capacity of 10 kilowatt hours, allowing it to cover up to 25 miles at 2 knots. It can operate autonomously, attached to a fiber optic cable, or via umbilical for powered communications, making it suitable for various mission profiles. Advanced systems include high-resolution cameras, multi-beam sonar, sub-bottom profilers, Doppler velocity log, and a sophisticated autopilot for precise navigation and data acquisition. Notably, the SABERTOOTH was instrumental in discovering the wreck of the Endurance, showcasing its reliability and advanced capabilities in extreme environments. Saab has secured a significant contract from PXGEO worth SEK $620 million for over 20 SABERTOOTH units to be delivered by 2025. These units will support autonomous offshore seismic data acquisition. The SABERTOOTH's ability to remain operational at subsea docking stations for over 6 months without maintenance significantly reduces the need for costly surface vessels, enhancing its cost-effectiveness and operational efficiency. Number 4. AQS-24 Mine Hunting System. The AQS-24 mine hunting system, developed by Northrop Grumman, is a cutting-edge sonar and laser-based system designed for high-speed detection, localization, classification, and identification of underwater mines. Leveraging Northrop Grumman's extensive experience in airborne mine countermeasures, the system features high-resolution side-scan sonar and a laser line scanner, providing real-time processing and significantly enhanced image resolution. These advancements enable the AQS-24 to deliver precise optical identification and advanced target detection modes, making it one of the most efficient mine hunting systems available. Designed for high-speed operations, the AQS-24B can operate at speeds up to 18 knots, allowing for rapid and effective mine detection. The upgraded AQS-24C model adds in-stride volume search capabilities, further enhancing its operational scope. Both versions are capable of being deployed from various platforms, including unmanned surface vessels, USVs, and helicopters. Successful integration and operation from platforms such as the Mine Countermeasures Unmanned Surface Vessel highlight the system's versatility and reliability in unmanned mine hunting missions. Number 5. Dive LD. The Dive LD is an advanced, autonomous, underwater vehicle developed by Anduril Industries, designed for a variety of maritime missions, including deepwater surveys, seafloor mapping and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Measuring 19 feet in length and 3.9 feet in diameter, it weighs 6,000 pounds and can operate at depths of up to 19,700 feet. The Dive LD has a maximum speed of 7 knots and a survey range of 313 nautical miles, capable of conducting missions autonomously for up to 10 days. This AUV features a 3D printed chassis that supports rapid customization and integration of various sensors and payloads, making it highly versatile for different applications. Its modular design allows for easy assembly and deployment from various platforms, including peer launch capabilities. To meet growing demand, Anduril is establishing a new production facility in Rhode Island, expected to produce over 200 units annually and create more than 100 jobs within the next 5 years. This facility will enhance Anduril's ability to deliver high-performance AUVs quickly and efficiently. Overall, the Dive LD's flexibility, robust design, and advanced manufacturing processes make it a leading solution for both defense and commercial underwater operations. Number 6. AUV-62AT. The AUV-62AT, developed by Saab CI, is a cutting-edge anti-submarine warfare training system designed to simulate a real submarine for naval training purposes. This autonomous underwater vehicle weighs approximately 1,367 pounds and can operate at depths of up to 985 feet with a maximum speed of 12 knots. It features an extended mast for effective communication and data transfer, and its modular design allows for flexible deployment from ships, submarines, or shore. The AUV-62AT emulates both active and passive submarine signatures, enabling comprehensive ASW training scenarios that include detection, tracking, and engagement. The system includes advanced components such as signal generation and analysis systems, mission planning and evaluation systems, and a custom docking device for launch and recovery. Proven in several military exercises, including the British Royal Navy's Unmanned Warrior exercise, the AUV-62AT provides 90 to 95% of the training value of a real submarine. It is compatible with modern torpedo and sonar systems, making it a versatile tool for navies worldwide. The U.S. Navy has evaluated the AUV-62AT under the Foreign Comparative Testing Program, highlighting its potential to replace older ASW training systems. Overall, the AUV-62AT offers a realistic, flexible, and cost-effective solution for enhancing ASW training, contributing significantly to modern naval readiness. Number 7. eWROV. The eWROV, developed by Saab CI, is a full-size Class 3B work-class remotely operated vehicle that represents a significant leap forward in underwater robotics. Designed with electrification at its core, the eWROV offers improved performance, eco-responsibility, and reduced maintenance compared to traditional hydraulic systems. Weighing less than 8,800 pounds and with a length of 9.2 feet, this vehicle can achieve speeds greater than 4 knots and can operate at depths up to 9,850 feet, with an option for 16,400 feet. One of the eWROV's standout features is its electric thrusters, capable of generating over 2,640 pound force of thrust in forward, lateral, and vertical directions. The vehicle's dual 7-function robotic manipulators offer advanced control, precise positioning, and increased dexterity, making it highly suitable for complex underwater tasks. The eWROV incorporates Saab CI's Icon Intelligence Control System, which allows for real-time system control and feedback, enabling both manual and autonomous operations. It is designed for long-duration missions and can be operated remotely from onshore control centers, making it a key component for future autonomous vessel fleets. This environmentally friendly system uses minimal oil, significantly reducing its carbon footprint. Recently, Ocean Infinity placed an order for 10 eWROVs, highlighting the vehicle's market-leading capabilities and its role in advancing sustainable underwater operations. Number 8. MANTA RAY. The MANTA RAY autonomous underwater vehicle, developed by Northrop Grumman in partnership with the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, represents a significant advancement in undersea technology. Designed for long-duration, long-range missions, the MANTA RAY AUV can operate autonomously without the need for on-site human logistics. Key technical features include its ability to anchor to the seafloor and enter a low-power hibernation state, energy-efficient propulsion systems, and modular construction for easy transport and assembly. The vehicle's propulsion systems include buoyancy-driven gliding, enhanced by propellers and control surfaces for efficient energy use and maneuverability, allowing it to navigate various underwater environments effectively. The MANTA RAY's modular design supports expeditionary deployment, enabling the vehicle to be shipped in standard containers and assembled in the field. This design conserves energy by reducing the need for transit propulsion. Notably, the MANTA RAY is equipped with multiple payload bays to accommodate a variety of naval missions, making it highly versatile. In early 2024, the MANTA RAY successfully completed full-scale in-water testing off Southern California, demonstrating its robust hydrodynamic performance and readiness for operational deployment. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of autonomous underwater vehicles. We hope you enjoyed discovering these 8 incredible AUVs and their groundbreaking capabilities. From scientific research to marine exploration or military missions, these vehicles are pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve underwater, offering new insights into our planet's last frontier. If you found this video informative and exciting, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on technology, innovations, and much more. Also, hit the bell icon to stay updated with our newest content. We look forward to bringing you more exciting videos that inspire curiosity and innovation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.